GDP, or Gross Domestic Product, is the total value of all goods and services produced within a country in a given year. Today, we're going to take a look at the GDP of the United States, China, and Russia, and compare their economic strengths. As of 2021, the United States has the largest GDP in the world, with a total of $22.7 trillion. China comes in second with a GDP of $16.1 trillion, and Russia is in 11th place with a GDP of $1.7 trillion. The United States has one of the strongest economies in the world, with a highly developed infrastructure and a diverse range of industries. The service sector accounts for the largest share of the GDP, followed by manufacturing and agriculture. The US is also home to many of the world's largest corporations, including Apple, Microsoft, and Amazon. China has been the fastest growing major economy in the world for several decades, and its GDP has increased at an astonishing rate. China has a diverse economy, with manufacturing and services being the two largest sectors. China is also the world's largest exporter, with a trade surplus of over $500 billion in 2021. Russia's economy is heavily reliant on its natural resources, particularly oil and gas. The energy sector accounts for a significant portion of Russia's GDP, and the country is one of the world's largest producers and exporters of oil. However, Russia's economy has struggled in recent years due to economic sanctions and a decline in oil prices. The future of each country's economy is uncertain. The United States continues to be a leader in innovation and technology, but faces challenges from a growing national debt and increasing inequality. China's economy has slowed in recent years, and the country faces challenges from an aging population and tensions with the United States. Russia's economy is heavily dependent on the price of oil, which can be unpredictable. Cut to the conclusion. In conclusion, the United States, China, and Russia have vastly different economies, with different strengths and weaknesses. The US has the largest GDP in the world, while China is the fastest growing major economy, and Russia's economy is heavily reliant on natural resources. It remains to be seen how each country's economy will develop in the future, but they will continue to play a significant role in the global economy.